Hey, hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this Python beginner tutorial series, today let's discuss about Python dictionary. Alright, Python dictionary is a very important topic in Python. Okay, so if you walk into any interviews, you can definitely expect any questions around Python dictionary. And even with real-time programming, you simply cannot avoid this dictionary concept in whenever you try to build a real-time application. So I think as a programmer, as a Python developer, it is really utmost important for you to know how to create a dictionary and how to work with dictionary. Okay, so today in this session we'll learn about we'll learn a quick introduction about dictionary, and we'll learn about creating a dictionary and how to access dictionary items. So this is part 1 of my video. I will try to cover a few more advanced topic with dictionary in my upcoming videos. Okay, for now let's focus on few basics about dictionary alone. Okay, so going to definition, dictionaries are used to store data in key value pairs. Okay, so if you see the example below, I have created a sample dictionary where I am trying to store the values in key value pairs, where here in this example, name is my key, age, date of birth, all these three are key, Sachin 49 and date of birth, these three are my values. So the values are stored in a key value pair manner. Okay, so this is how you will create a dictionary. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicate values. I will explain this in detail. And finally, dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. So as I said, you can see I have used curly braces before and at the last to define a dictionary. All right. Now coming to the second point, so dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicate values. Okay, so before explaining this concept, I will let you know, I'll put a disclaimer here. If you are using Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, the dictionaries are unordered. So make sure what kind of Python version you are using and work on it accordingly. Alright, so when we say dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicate values, it means that it means that the order will not change. It means that item has defined order and that order will not change. When we say that dictionaries are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Right? When we say it is unordered means that the item does not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item by using an index. Okay, so if you turn back to our list class and all, so in the list videos and all, you used index to access the items present in the list. All right, similarly you cannot use index and all here. Okay, that's what we mean by ordered and unordered in dictionary. And next thing is changeable. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. Right? And dictionaries and duplicates not allowed means dictionaries cannot have two items with same key. Okay, so here we have name, age, and date of birth, right? So here we cannot have this same key repeated twice. All right, so this is a very quick introduction and basic about Python dictionary and how to create a dictionary. All right, so we'll try to create this dictionary in our PyCharm and try to print it. Oh, just for saving time, I have already written my dictionary here. So I have created a dictionary called dict1, and within curly braces I have defined all my values in key value pairs. All right, and finally I'm printing this dictionary. Now if I run this, now you can see it printed me name as Sachin, age as 49, and date of birth is 24/4/1973. Oops, what's happening? What's the mistake I'm making here? I think it should be a string value. Alright, now it will be, my date of birth will be 24/4/1973. Alright, so this is how you will create a simple dictionary and print it. Alright, now let's jump on to next topic is length. Okay, so how to find the length of the dictionary? As usual, we used the same method for list, tuple and all, right, sets and all. Similarly, you can use the length method here to find the length of the dictionary. Here we have 3 values, right? So here, so we have the length as 3. Okay, so this is how you can find the length of the dictionary. And next one is data types. Okay, so it can allow any kind of data type. So here we have string, here we have integer, we have another string. Since I said it will allow any kind of data type, I'm gonna add you another key value pair here. So here let me add format. What kind of format does Sachin plays? He plays ODI, he plays T20, he plays test cricket, right? So this is how. So now I have created everything within a list. You can see here I have integer, I have string, I have created here within a list. List means I am just putting it within a normal square brackets. All right, so this is how you will create a list. So now if I run this, you can see now the length. Okay, I'm just printing the length. So length is 4. Now it will print my list as well. All right, so it will allow any kind of values. Similarly you can add tuples also, tuple sets, whatever you want to add also you can add within this dictionary. Okay, next one is type. So in order to ensure that you are actually displaying dictionary, there's a type method. This is again similar to how you work with list, tuple and all. You can just print the type to see what kind of object actually it is. So now if I run this, you can see it is a dictionary value, right? This is how you can easily find if it is a dictionary or not using the type method. All right, and next let's see how to access dictionary items. Now you created a dictionary. Okay, now we have created this dictionary. What if you want to access this dictionary? Like for example, what if I want to access the particular key value which has age? So I want to find the age of Sachin. So what in that situation, what can you do is something we will see now. That is what we will cover in this part of how to access dictionary items. All right, so here instead of printing, so say let's have x equal to dictionary 1 dot it should be age, right? Yeah, okay, so it should be within normal braces, like square brackets, dictionary of age. If I pass the key value here, I am passing the key value here like called age. Now it means it will print me, it will try to find the age of Sachin. Okay, I'm not printing it. Print x. Now it printed me value 49. Okay, so this is how you can access any value using the key. Similarly, if you want to find name also, you can use something like this. Okay, it printed the value called Sachin. All right, and the next is again you can use get method. There's a method called get. Okay, so you can simply use this or use this get method to get the value. Both are similar, but this is something. Oops. Okay, I need to pass it within a normal parenthesis. Okay, now I am printing the name as Sachin. So there are two ways in how you can get the values using key. One is by using get method and another one is using our earlier approach where you just simply pass on the key value within square brackets. All right, So yeah, this is what our first topic. And then yeah, now let's see how to get all the dictionaries in key. Okay, so you might be put in a situation where you want to find what and all keys are present in the dictionary. So in that situation you can use a dot keys method. Okay, it will fetch you all the values, all the keys present in the dictionary. So see, it's throwing you some suggestions, keys. Now if I print it, now it printed me all the keys. So the keys are name, age, date of birth and format, right? So it printed me all the keys. So this is how you can fetch the all the keys present in the dictionary, right? Finally, we'll see how we can fetch the values. Now you found out how to fetch the keys. Now you can use values method to fetch the values in the dictionary. Now the values are Sachin, 49, date and the actual format, right? So this is how you can create a dictionary and access a dictionary. Okay, so I have covered very basic concepts here just to keep it very simple and make you understand what and how we can use, and how can we use dictionary, how to create dictionary. So I kept it very simple. In part 2 of the video, let's start seeing about little complex operations with dictionary. Okay, I hope you understood how the dictionary is created and how to access dictionary items. In case if you have any queries, please post it into the comment section. I will try to answer it as soon as possible. If you like this video and for more interesting videos on Python, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.